Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you another kit that I've made for my card swap kit that challenge that I was hosting. Anyway, let's just get straight into it. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. So here's the card that I made, and this is the what I'm going to include in the kit to make these cards. So I have my kit here. I will assemble it. Some of the items I've used is I've used a stitch die here that I had in my stash for the inside to write a message on the inside of the card. What else? I've used some recollections paper, some holographic paper, some foil paper, as well as some glitter paper. And those are all recollections. I used this Spellbinders die set that I received from a crafty friend as a gift. And then I also used these Stamps of Life ornaments as well. I believe that's all the products I used. Oh, and I used this Word Joy, which I think is a Stamps of Life die as well. And I started with a black cardstock that was in my stash. This is a measure of 4 by 5 1/4, and then I will start assembling. I will glue this together. I will add the ornament tops. I will add the ornament tops to these. These get layered here. I'll add some twine so they look like they're hanging. And then I'll add the sentiment. So I'll play some music and just put this together. I don't think you need too much of my direction of how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. So I will play some music like I said and enjoy.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday.
Okay, so there it is. That is my card kit for this card challenge. I hope you guys found this inspirational. Thank you to Therese and Paulette for joining in on my card kit swap. I'll leave a link to one of their videos here from their kit. And I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!